Markets by Pherl. In today's vlog, we're about to make pancakes. All we need is butter, egg, ripe banana, milk mixture, pep oil, jackfruit, hot cake milk. So that's we all need. Now we're gonna make that So guys, I'm gonna chop this banana, but I'm gonna help my mom. Here, yes.
Oh, the banana, that, yan. Yan. Just chop it. Huwag mong hawakan ng blade niya. Dahan-dahan, okay lang yan. Just keep on chopping. Yan. It will be cut. Just keep on chopping. Do not touch the blade. Ayan, yan. Dahan-dahan, be careful. Hawakan.
So guys, I'm done chopping the banana. So we need to crack the egg now. Let's go.
Be careful.
So guys, sorry, I just actually got cracked the egg in the floors, but my mom just helped me. Now I'm done making. Now let's put this.
Let's mix the ingredients,
Yeah.
okay? So the ingredients are here. The oil, the banana, the egg, the langka, the milk mixture, and the...
So guys, let's put the milk in here. Now let's do it.
We'll just put 3 parts muna, guys. Ayan.
3 parts.
And then, what's next, ate? You have to put the egg.
Okay, what's that?
The egg, opo.
There it is.
Put the egg. Dahan-dahan. Yan. Huwag mong hawakan, babe. Yan. Palm oil.
Yes.
Palm oil. Where's the palm oil? Yan. Gusto.
Okay, next.
Next. Okay, you have to mix the ingredients.
I think this is gonna be so good.
I will help you, ate.
Wow, it's turning. We just actually for this. What's turning? Oh my god.
Next, you have to put the langka, ate.
There it is.
Langka, jackfruit.
Hey.
The jackfruit. You have to use this. Yan. And, ay, meron pa. And then, they have to put the banana. Meron pa ating natin ng banana.
Guys, we're going to take this also.
1 pack of...
Why cannot open this? There
Yeah,
it is.
pakita mo kayo, guys.
Now let's
Yeah.
put it. I'm gonna put it right here.
Be careful, baka matapon.
Alright.
You have to pour it in the mixture.
Guys, let's put this flour in here. All of them. For all the milk base, because if it is goes into my So guys, let's mix all the ingredients.
Be careful. Do not over mix. Kasi it will,
It's not gonna make a colorful over again. So guys, I'm done mixing in this. So let's go to the kitchen.
And we are about to
And then we're about to
cook the
cook the
pancake.
And guys, I'm gonna put the butter. My mom put the butter in there, and I'm gonna put this right now.
Okay, be careful. Tanggalin mo yung ano dun. Bilis.
How?
Put it. Put it all. And then, ganyan mo. You have to encircle that to make a round shape of the pancake. And then you can put a cover.
So that will be easy.
Check your pancake. If it's already done. Oh, it's already done, guys. I have to minimize the flame. And then you get the kutsara po.
So guys, let's flip it.
Be careful, ate. Puing, 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 puing! Success! Ayan lang. You have to put it on the center, ate. Ayan. I'll help you, ha?
Oh my god.
Very yummy yan, guys.
So guys, time to fill this because this is the last pancake. Look at all the pancakes. Now let's flip
So
it.
you flip it well.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Flip it, flip it, flip it. The last pancake that Shasha had flipped, guys. Look. The crust around has been peeled off. Okay.
So guys, I'm done making pancakes. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Wow, so yummy. Ang daming nagawa, guys, na pancake eh. And then Shasha is going to eat right now.
Nutella.
Yeah, kakain si Shasha. Oh, make one, ate, for your snack. Yeah.
And this my Milo.
And here is the Milo of ate Shasha. So, you naman natin. Okay, taste it. Huwag mo na munang lagyan ng masarap naman yan kahit walang palaman kasi may langka yan eh.
Yummy.
What's the taste? It's jackfruit. It's langka flavor, guys, okay?
Taste it.
It's very yummy, guys.
But there's egg.
There's an egg, there's an what else? Butter, flour, oil, butter, egg, ano pa? Banana, di ba? May banana pa siya. Sarap? Very yummy. Thinking cold Milo. Yan, cold Milo, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Click the bell button, like and subscribe.